What's good, y'all? This is the SkaterCurator, back with another one. Today we are going over the Ollie. This is by far my favorite trick because it unlocks all the tricks in the game and it just feels good on the rollaway. So before we get into it, I just wanted to go over a few things with you while I stretch. And the airplane's coming by, so that's going to be loud. We'll wait for that. It's very important to stretch, especially going into your 20s to 30s. I don't care if you are Michael Jordan. I don't care if you're Tony Hawk. I think it's best to stretch. Just because your body is so tight in the morning, waking up, you want proper hydration to flow through your body. You want your body to feel limber and ready for the activity. Majority of skateboarding, like in landing tricks, is preparation. Preparing mentally for the trick. That's what's, gonna be the overall deciding factor. Is like, you have to tell yourself you're gonna land it. You have to tell yourself, I'm gonna do it right here. That's why you hear all the skateboarders, all right, next try, right? Because they're pushing their mind to its limits. They're really trying to do something that might have been deemed impossible to society, but to a skateboarder, this is what we go through in order to overcome our obstacles. Okay, so I think I'm somewhat stretched for the most part into the aircraft. That's what we're gonna practice doing. We're gonna practice taking off on our skateboard. You want to feel like your board is glued to your feet, like you can take it anywhere, right? You want to be pretty confident on your board already before attempting an ollie and rolling away with it, okay? This is gonna be where your back foot is. I put my front foot behind the 4 bolts only because after I pop my back foot, I slide my foot up past the bolts to give it the lift off, right? I'm gonna pop with my back foot and it's gonna pop this part of the board up. Then I'm gonna slide this foot from the bottom of the bolts to the top of the bolts and it's gonna level the board out. And then I'm gonna focus on planting my feet back on the bolts and then we roll away. All right, here's some static ollies. Just a word of advice, this trick takes longer than you'd expect. These are very simple movements, but you have to put them together. A lot of it's timing. The ollie is all timing. It's popping your tail at the right time, sliding your foot up right after that, and then leveling out your ollie to where your board is just up in the air level. Right? Sometimes you can get super steezy and you can start to ninja kick it, you know what I mean? So you can float over higher obstacles, but that all takes time, all right? So that's my trick tip. I'll holler at you in a minute once this airplane passes. Next thing you know, you'll be flying like a jet. All right, I love y'all. Peace. Just a last little reminder. Ollies are very simple in theory, but very hard in the physical form. So don't give up. Just don't give up. Don't give up and you'll get it. I promise you. And you'll have the most fun once you get it. All right? That's it. Love y'all. Peace.